Guys, the dreaded chef here. We're down in Ross and Locke today. It's a beautiful day, perfect outside, we can't complain. What we're going to do today is we're going to make the Bishin barbecue sauce that we used on the crocodile bits last week at Branson Beach. And I thought today would be the perfect time to show you how that's made. So right in here, I've got 1.5 cups of water that's coming up to the simmer. And then we're going to be using this badass tea from Tbsp Tea House. And we're essentially going to make a cup of tea. Alrighty guys, so it's been about 5 minutes now where the tea has been steeping. I've just strained it, and what we're going to do now is we're going to add half a teaspoon of garlic, onion powder into the pot. And then we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. And then we're going to follow that up with 1 cup of tomato sauce. I've got my measuring cup here. Squirt it in. Add that in. Turn the heat down to a low heat. And we're just going to give that a stir to bind it all together. And we're going to let it reduce to a simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. It already smells so good. When we get into making the roulade, the Moroccan beef roulade, my apologies, we're going to use our zebra knife that we've got courtesy of Drifter for driving camping. Fantastic knife, light, easy, very cheap. Can't recommend it enough. So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to slice up a red onion, and we're going to do some capsicums, and then we're going to start making the roulade. So what we're going to do is just top and tail the onion. Keep it simple. We only probably need about half of this. Take the stubborn skin off. Set that rubbish aside, we don't need it. And then all we're going to do now is slice it across. So our onion's done. Next thing that we're going to do is our capsicum. So we're going to take the top off and the tail off, slice down the side, and then all we're going to do is run our knife through, getting all that pulp out that we don't need, like so. Set all that aside and flatten it out. Now what we're going to do is use our knife really flat, and we're going to go across and get as much as that flesh out, because we don't want it too thick inside the roulade. We want it to be nice and thin. So it's going to go across like so. Being very careful of your fingers. Like so. Slice down the middle, and then as thin as we can, we're just going to slice and do a nice julienne capsicum. Brilliant. All right, so now we're going to go on to the roulade. So what we do is we get our nice piece of minute steak, got a little bit of oil to add in some lime. Drizzle it on, we don't need too much. Pat it all over, like so. Shoot the flies away, we are outside today. We're just going to use some of this Moroccan seasoning from Just Flavour. I love these guys and I cannot express that enough. We'll sprinkle some of that on. Like so. And then we're going to put some baby spinach leaves on. Look up towards the end here. You might hear some people in the background because it's a beautiful day out, so everyone's got to enjoy the creek. So I'm going to put on some capsicum and then a couple of slivers of onion. And then we're going to roll this up. And that's what makes it roulade. Guys, so it's been about 2-3 minutes now, and it's been searing up really nicely. So what we're going to do now is just give them a turn, flip them right over so they can cook on the other side. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, and share this video. It would really support me a lot, and I would really appreciate it. Thanks. So it's now sealed on both sides, and now it's the fun part where we get to start glazing with this Bishin barbecue sauce that I make. It's very easy. Just paint it on. So we're going to keep doing this every 10 minutes for the next 20 minutes, just to make sure that it's all coated. And we're going to let it sit there for about 3 minutes before we flip it over and do the other side. That way it gives this sauce, this baste, some time to set. Alrighty guys, so the roulades have been on the grill being basted every 10 minutes. They're looking good, they're smelling good. I seriously cannot wait to get into them. But to go with this roulade, I'm doing a grilled peach and wild rocket salad. So I've had the peaches on the grill now for about 2-3 minutes, and I'm just warming them up to get some nice colour on them. And then soon we'll pull it all off and start plating up. I can't wait. Right, so the roulades have come off the grill. I've made my wild rocket and grilled peach salad. Let's get to plating. So what I've done is I've just cut the roulades in half. I'm just going to sit them up. Well, maybe not that one. I might sit that one up. Like so. The balances for me. Like that. Thank you. There's lovely people around that are talking as I'm drying the plate up. I might give them a sneaky taste later. So now I'm doing the grilled peach and wild rocket salad. I'm just going to plate it on there like so. Some peach is good, more is better. Gives it a nice real pop of colour. Gives that bit of rocket up. And that's it. Here we are. The beef roulade and grilled peach wild rocket salad.